competitive mode. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Roshan from Boost District here. We already know you guys are here because you like horsepower. We're gonna bring it to you Boost District style. And let's go from car number one. Brandon C8 Corvette that we just finished. It has our Boost District 850 package on it. As you guys saw in the last video, it was still in the lift. It came back down. We did our base tune on it already. And now it's ready for the dyno. So let's see how much power it makes later on. This is a car from out of state. We're doing the exact same package on it. It's going to be the Boost District 850 package, which basically is the head scam, forged rods and pistons, fuel system, supercharger package, and a little bit more boost. While we're at it, we want to welcome David to the team.
Hello, my name is David. Nice to meet you.
Okay. Thank you guys for submitting all your applications for the tech. We are still looking for another tech to add in our team, so we want to keep these going and keep working fast and good for you guys. So if you guys are interested in the position, if you're a good tech, please send in your applications at installs@boostdistrict.com. Next car over here, this is Mr. Rob C8 Corvette. We're gonna fix what's wrong with the convertible. So as you guys can see, on a convertible C8, you can't really see the motor. So Ryan over here is gonna put a see-through glass, as you guys see on this car right here. Yeah, it's gonna look real good. You guys are gonna see the finished results on that one, hopefully in the next video. It's a pretty quick process. Everything is done in-house. Ryan is our bodywork guy, and you'll enjoy seeing this process soon. So next over here is a CTSV that you guys saw in the last video. That specific car is getting a 2650 and exhaust and also fuel system. So it's gonna make some decent power. And we can't wait to show you guys that one too. A lot of R&D work happening behind the scenes also. We're really not getting into that right now, but we'll jump more into that later on. Oh, one more thing. On the gas, Beto and his guys dropped off the red truck. Let's go show him to him real quick. Beto dropped off his red truck over here. It was a twin turbo truck. Didn't really like how it drove. We're gonna be putting a supercharger on it. We're gonna put a 2650 supercharger on it, and fast and fun to drive. So they have big plans for that, including a badass interior and exterior. And we're just doing the power plant on it. That's our specialty, obviously. So you'll see that in the next future videos. So welcome to the team on the gas. My car on the lift, we're doing some more maintenance on it before it goes back to the track. Right now, let's just go for a drive. Let's go drive our 850 package, the same thing that these two cars have, and let's see how you guys like the power. So. This is Mr. Jason's 2021 C8. He's one of the very first Supercharged C8 Corvette that we did in our shop about a year and a half ago. Right now we're in Mexico. As far as the shifting goes, no manual shifting, no funny business. I have in tour mode, you're in sport mode now, louder, and you can go to even track mode, which is even louder. So this car goes home tomorrow. Chris is sitting right here next to me. We're on the laptop, making sure all the data looks good. We're here in Mexico, like I said, so we're gonna jump in right now, make some pulls, make sure everything is crisp. These roads in Mexico, mint. We're in the barrio. As you guys see, car is solid, no issues, everything's good. I think this is ready to go home to Mr. Jason. He's gonna love every minute of this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. This is an awesome setup that we've been doing and perfecting for the last few months. Anything you want C8 related, or anything you want LS and LT related, we do. So not only Corvettes, we also do a lot of Camaros and obviously LS too. So let's put this in competitive mode. Alright, so this is a little bit different. We're gonna add this in the very last part of the video, I would say. This is Mr. Jason, the owner of this car. He's trusted us with a C8 for the last year and a half. This car made 771 on the dyno a few weeks ago, and we added a little bit more power since then. We're gonna give him a quick spin here in Mexico. Let's see how he feels with it. What do you think about this car, Mr. Jason?
I love it.
Yeah.
It is bad news. It is for sure a whole different car.
Yeah. 355 tire in the back. 355 and you're still spinning it.
And that was a quick 115.
65.
Oh,
65.
65, sorry. That was a quick 65 mile an hour.
You happy with it?
I'm very happy. This
Well
is
worth it?
Well worth it, yes. If you've got a C8, do this to it, yes.
But just wanted to quick, so you guys never really get to see the customer reactions, so that's why I want to add it here. Just make sure, you know, everything that we do is proven and also approved by the people that pay for them too. So if you guys have a C8, head to the website, put your deposit in for your time slot to get an install. We're gonna end it right here. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, so as you guys can see the final result. Super clean install. Everything sticks, no problem. It looks OEM. Chevy should have done this from the factory. If you guys are listening, I'll sell you guys my ideas. So as you guys can see, underneath looks awesome and clean. Everything's how it's supposed to be. No rattles. Everything is good. And it's ready to go back home. We're gonna put some wheels on this for Mr. Robert while he's at it. And we really appreciate his business. We're gonna have a couple things lined up for that. And we're filming already. So like and subscribe and really appreciate the support. On to the next one.